I'll try to make this quick. So I actually bought this machine. First I'll say I'm giving it 4 out of 5 stars because I've literally only used the thing once. But for anyone who's just gotten it and is looking through the instructions and looking at all the bolts, don't be intimidated. They're extra parts. I read through everything, and this is when it comes time to changing the blades and the motor and stuff that you have it, is my understanding. So if it, in 6 months or whatever, if it's still functioning good, I'll certainly give it 5 stars. Right now, I just finished doing the, it is unplugged. I did the preliminary, they want you to put rice and tea leaves just to reduce any odor. I didn't find it had much odor, honestly. I will just say I bought, it was like a returned one, which I decided to go for. I saved a few bucks, but also I thought if I could keep something out of the landfill. But so far, looks very promising. I plan to grind flax and almonds and pumpkin seeds with it. I ended up buying this because I killed my coffee grinder. It doesn't want to seem to grind up almonds. Okay, so hopefully this helps someone out there who's looking at this and going, this is too complicated. It's really not that complicated. The lid is sharp, not this one, but the top that fits on here. It kind of goes without saying, but you know, just be mindful when you're using it and should be happy. Has a handle here. Oh, where's the handle? I'm about to dump this in my compost because I put in mint tea leaves with rice. I don't think I'm going to be eating that. Okay, bye.
Okay guys, Amazon just dropped this off and here is the package I received that was broken, and I took it out. Here's the box. The side of the box here was damaged, and see it down there, and the parts here were loose. Here's the bag as we saw it, so maybe they were in the bag and they opened up, I don't know, but they were in the bottom of the box. And then it looks to appear to have been used. You can see the swirl marks around. There's marks on the blade here, marks on the blade here, compared to the blades that haven't been used. You can see that. So maybe someone got it, tested it out, didn't like it, and sent it back. And then they sent us a unit that was used. Not cool. This is, I think we paid 140, 50 bucks for this. I can't remember exactly, but Amazon has to do better, or this company has to do better.
There's no 1 speed, 2 speed, it's just fast. There's no safety features either. Like I opened it and I was able to turn it on. I don't know if this is the same. I mean, I was using a Vitamix to grind my cinnamon, and I use this every day. This is from the Vitamix, and this is from this. I mean, it's fine, but there's no 1-2 speed. It's just speed 10 or 5.
So this is the instruction manual. The cover sheet is in English. German instructions on page 1. Continuation of German. French. Continuation of French. Italian. Continuation of Italian. Spanish, continuation of Spanish, and nothing else. Back cover has cautions and tips in English, but there's no English instructions within the manual. Absolutely nothing.
Trying to see if you can see the edge of this. And these two edges here. I'm trying to look what I'm doing so I don't get cut again. I mean, they are literally like razor blades, sharp.
ما تعرفش تغير بالهي
excelente, me encanta. Tremendo producto, verdad que sí. Buena inversión.
Gira.